everybody. This is Double R Lifestyles. I'm with
Pat Azagu
Okay.
from Garnet Gal's Coffee Shop and Bakery.
So where does the name of the company come from? How did you come up with that?
Garnet is my birthstone.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I'm Garnet Gal.
Okay. all right. Garnet Gal. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do y'all specialize here?
We actually make all of our baked goods from scratch.
Okay.
We mill our own flour, so
Okay.
it's freshly milled baked products from
Okay.
scratch
Okay.
on a daily basis.
Okay.
We also make all of our syrups in-house for our coffee beverages. So
Okay.
it's really just about providing foods and beverages
Okay.
with all natural ingredients, organic ingredients whenever possible,
Okay.
and just better for you
Okay.
ingredients.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
So what made you get into this type of business?
So for years, I was actually in the corporate world. My background is in HR.
Okay.
And several years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer.
Okay.
And when that happened, I decided that if I came out on the other end of it, I was going to do something completely different. At the
Gotcha.
time, I didn't know what yet, but
Okay.
I just knew I wanted to get out of the corporate world and do something else.
Okay.
And I changed the way I was eating. I started milling my own flour at home because I realized there are definite benefits to eating freshly milled grain.
Okay.
And I decided at some point that I wanted to just bring that to the community.
Okay.
And so that's why I did this. And I like the idea of a coffee shop / bakery where people can gather, because the other thing I wanted to do was not only to share my story, but to talk to customers. When I was going through it, I found it very helpful to talk to people who had gone through something similar.
Yes.
It was just very helpful to me to ask questions and to understand a little bit better their journey, and then it helped me with my own journey, just having those conversations. And so I wanted to be here for that as well, for anyone who wanted to have that conversation or just to have another ear to listen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many years has this business been open? Or?
So not very long. We
really?
actually opened in the middle of the pandemic. So
Wow, okay.
we opened last April. That was
So
not
you
intentional.
can do something during the pandemic, people. All right.
Well, let me just say this. It's not something I would recommend. It was not intentional.
All right.
It just happened that
All
way.
right, all
yeah,
right.
because the planning started in October 2019.
Okay.
And it just so happened that by the time everything was done, the pandemic was here, and we were in the middle of it, and it was either go forward or go forward. Like there weren't any options. Yeah.
All right. So, somebody that has never been here, what will be like the number one thing to try to start off, just to see, like, to get a taste of, the restaurant?
Okay, so I would say we kind of have 2 tracks. I started playing around with different vegan recipes, and so when I say we have 2 tracks here, if you're vegan, we have a number of really nice items. For breakfast, you can have a strawberry scone, for example.
Oh, wow.
Like we have nice items if you are a vegan that you will absolutely enjoy, and it's not just a salad, right?
Okay.
But then on the other hand, we have items with cream and butter and other things as well. And so I would say our scones are top seller for sure, either on the vegan side or on just the regular scone side. They're very popular. Our quiche is very popular. And our hand pies are very popular. We have a vegan version of the hand pie that's stuffed with different vegetables in a curry sauce. That's also extremely popular.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty good. I might have to try one of those.
It's very good.
It's very good. Now, as far as like, so the coffees that you have here, what would be a good coffee to try, like for first time?
For our drip coffee, offer an organic Colombian coffee. Our lattes are where we're very creative. So probably what I consider to be the number 1 latte is our Kentucky bourbon latte. Yes.
All right.
We make the syrup here. We actually use Kentucky bourbon. But the process takes the alcohol out of it. So it's a non-alcoholic latte by the time we're done with it, but you still get that intense flavor.
Okay, gotcha.
And it's really good.
All right. Anything you want to say to your viewers or anything, or your customers?
I would just say, come on in if you haven't been here yet. I think you'll really like the offerings that we have and the atmosphere, and I would just say we'd love to meet you.
All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Boom.